Welcome to Start Right Homes, your ultimate resource for everything real estate. In this video, we'll explore an exciting investment strategy called the BRRRR method. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this guide will help you understand how to grow your real estate portfolio. BRRRR stands for Buy, Rehab, Rent, Refinance, and Repeat. It's a proven strategy for generating passive income and building long-term wealth. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Buy. The goal is to purchase a property below market value. Look for distressed properties or homes that need some TLC. Partnering with a real estate agent, looking for sale by owner properties, and regularly watching for new local listings can help you find the right deal. Remember, the profit is made at the purchase, so don't overpay. Step 2. Rehab. This is where you add value to the property by making improvements. Focus on updates that will attract quality tenants and increase the property's value. Modern kitchens, updated bathrooms, and energy-efficient upgrades are great examples. Stick to a tight budget and timeline to maximize your returns. Step 3. Rent. After the rehab, find tenants who will treat your property with care. Screen them thoroughly and set a competitive rent that covers your expenses and generates cash flow. In Alberta, where real estate in major centers is in high demand, you'll have a great pool of potential renters. Step 4. Refinance. Once your property's value has increased, work with a mortgage professional to refinance and pull out equity. This step allows you to recoup your initial investment and gives you the capital to fund your next property. Step 5. Repeat. Use the equity you've accessed to buy another property and start the process all over again. The BRRRR method helps you scale your real estate portfolio efficiently and effectively. And there you have it. The BRRRR investment strategy is a powerful way to build wealth through real estate. For more tips, resources, and to connect with expert real estate professionals, visit startrighthomes.com. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more real estate insights.